Hey guys, Connor here again at Earth Motor Cars, today showcasing our 1939 Ford 5-window custom coupe. There is not one single thing stock about this guy other than maybe the body. Full steel body on this guy, check it out under the hood here. LT1 motor, full March Performance serpentine system on there with all the chrome polish on there, looking nice and beautiful, man. Guys, this thing drives fantastic, especially for a 39. I'm not really a big fan of the 30s models. This thing drives like no other. Let me get the keys out for you here. Door poppers in this guy. Look at this interior, man. Every single thing has been gone through. New gauges, new interior, soft leather, new carpet, power seats. This guy is completely gone through, and I don't know, look at this here too. This leather, look at the plushness of it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but man, it is super, super slick. Everything customized on this car. There's not one single thing left stock, like I said, other than the body. We do have 4-wheel disc on this guy too on there. Super nice. Power trunk. We've got the bag with the documentation in it, your Ford plaque. Again, all nice and upholstered with panels in here, the way we do it, you know, super clean. Coming around the side here. And man, there is no car that looks like this, guys. Look at this thing, absolutely beautiful. Again, 1939, really, really early for cars here. Oh, if I can open the right door. Like I said, full custom center console, nice seats. These are out of a newer model vehicle, power, auto meter gauges, the whole 9 yards. This thing is clean through and through. Let me shut this door over here. There we go. All right, guys, let's go take it for a drive and prove to you how well a 1939 vehicle does whenever it's got a little bit of a modern touch to it. Let's go. All right. You ready?
Ready when you are.
Yep. Let's go for a drive. All right. Man, this thing's nice. This thing really does surprisingly ride super, super smooth for what it is. I really thought I was going to hop in this and it's going to be horse and buggy whenever we first got it in on trade. This thing drives great. I mean, the interior too blows me away. The black carpet, new seats. And I mean, like, look at the headliner. The design they did with the headliner in here. Really, really cool. You're not putting down all the power in the world with this. This guy does have the LT1, I think out of like a 95 Corvette, I want to say is what this motor is out of, so maybe like 300, 350 horsepower. It gets up out of its own way just fine. She moves, it makes all the right noises, everything like that. I mean, you got to keep in mind this car is still a 39, so it wasn't meant to cruise at 90 miles an hour on here, but I bet you could take this thing at 70 miles an hour on the highway. No problems in this car. Super nice. And I'm chilling. Leather interior, got the arm out the window, the one hand on the steering wheel. I mean, you're feeling good in this car. And it still makes you smile. That's all it does. It makes you smile. I gotta say, I really like these cars too because this one's not obnoxiously loud. It makes all the right noises on there. You got that V8 rumble. Definitely sounds good, but you can actually like think in here without it screaming at you. But man, these 39s, there's no other car that looks like this. I mean, this was back in the day whenever the cars were a one-off every single year. Maybe they made the same car for 2 years, but every single car back then changed year by year. And the 39s are really cool. And let's go. I don't know if I mentioned it in the initial part too. This guy does have a vintage air system in here. All of our controls right here too. 4-way power windows, so these windows roll up and down on both doors, and then these windows, the back windows, actually roll up and down too. And then along with that, you got your Kenwood Singleton radio in this guy. New auto meter gauges in this. Beautiful, beautiful black face gauges in here. I mean, this car is just done exceptionally well, man. And that's coming from me. I'm not a fan of the 30s and 40s cars. I'll say that plain as day, honest to God. But this thing rides like a Cadillac. I mean, you could cruise in this thing all day long, hop on the highway with it, no problems. I drive it, and I love it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this 39 two-door coupe Ford. Come in, take it for a spin, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.